So today we're invited by Mercedes Benz of McKinney to review the brand new AMG GT63s 4MATIC 4-door coupe. I'm super excited about this car, so let's jump right into it. This car is an absolute beast, clocking in at 182,000. The GT63s has it all. It's currently the fastest 4-door production car on the Nürburgring, and it's a crazy luxurious car. Let's go through some of the features this car has to offer. Starting in the front, we have AMG's performance wheel with hands-free self-driving and controls for everything on your 12.3-inch display. Moving back a bit, we have full electronic bucket seats, heated and cooled of course, with built-in massaging. For audio, we have 20 plus Berkshire speakers for the optimal 3D sound experience. This model has a rear executive seat package with included cooled and heated cup holders, a 6+ inch information display, wireless charging, and a 3-zone climate control. And it's all sitting on 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. First things first, let's talk about performance. It has a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, boasting 630 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. To handle all that horsepower, has 4MATIC Plus, which is a variable all-wheel drive system with rear-based torque distribution. Electronic limited slip differential helps improve traction for the rear wheels, enabling the driver to have very aggressive acceleration from the standstills or throughout the corners. The 2-piece composite design brakes have 6 piston fixed calipers in the front and 1 piston floating caliper in the rear. With the AMG 9-speed speed shift transmission, it'll achieve a staggering 3.10 to 60. To give those numbers some more meaning, on the 16.12-mile Nürburgring, it clocked in 7 minutes 25 seconds, giving an insane average speed of 130.3 miles per hour. Even crazier, the car has a top speed of 195 miles per hour. Keeping that in mind, that speed is electronically limited. Theoretically, the car could go even faster. Of course, with the increased speed comes the requirement of handling and aerodynamics challenges. To that end, Mercedes designed the AMG Aerodynamics package. This package includes a front and rear diffuser and specially designed rear spoiler. These active dynamics help the car to create downforce and improved handling at high speeds. Now let's take a closer look at the interior. Now the first thing when you get in here is obviously the 12.3-inch display and the sporty AMG performance wheel. First off, with your display, you'll find all your gauge clusters, navigation, entertainment, telemetry, and more. The left part of the display is where you'll find the gauge cluster. The electronic speedometer is customizable to show you all the important statistics from speed to boost data. The right display houses AMG Command, which has entertainment, media, and navigation, including Apple CarPlay. Not to mention, you can also control your ambient lighting, AC, and view engine data from here as well. To control all this power, the steering wheel includes controls for performance mods, traction control, and suspension, as well as more standard options like volume and voice assist. For control with the displays, 2 touchpads on the wheel help to control the plethora of electronic features Mercedes has to offer. Your center console has everything you need to control various performance features and options, including volume and exhaust modes. Here you'll find your 3rd touchpad to control your display and all your comfort controls as well. You'll also find 2 convenient cup holders for your drinks and wireless charging for your smartphone. Moving to the back, we have the executive package, offering a full 6-inch color touchscreen display, which allows you to view and control things like lighting, climate, and performance statistics. Right in front of the display, you get cooled and heated cup holders. To complement all that in the center, the seats are both heated and cooled, and include a massage mode for those long trips. And if you'd like to find out more about this car or more like it, come visit Doug and his awesome sales staff at Mercedes Benz of McKinney. We've got a variety of cars from them. And tell them Limitless Cars sent you, and they'll take care of you. And remember to subscribe for more Limitless content. That's all of it.
Just blind him.